Alright, what's new everyone? So today I'm going to show you how to link your Blink doorbell, or maybe you have a camera, and I'm going to show you how to link it with your Alexa. So the things you can do when you link your video device with Alexa and you have like Alexa Show is you can show the camera. Also on your TV, you can pop it up on your TV if you have a Fire Stick. Some of the other things you can do that I'll be showing you today is how to arm and disarm using your voice through this. Also you can get doorbell press notifications, which is why I'm using the doorbell. And you can get motion announcements. You can also arm your system through Alexa routines. And if you have another device like the Blink floodlight, you can have the floodlight turn on. Like, let's say if motion is detected, you can put that power routine, or you can just tell it to turn on. And also, when you get a low battery, you can have Alexa notify you, and it can also reorder it. So let me get this set up real quick, and I'll show you how it's done. And just like that, everything is plugged in and ready to be set up with Alexa. So if you go to the Blink's website and you click on the Connect with Alexa, it'll tell you the first thing you need to do is enable the Blink Smart Home skill. I think that is becoming outdated because, well, let me take that back. If you go to arm and disarm, it will say enable the Blink Smart Home skill, but also if you just go to the Blink Connect to Alexa page, it will tell you to just go into your settings, accounts, and link with Alexa, which is what we'll try here. So we'll click link to Alexa, agree to the terms, connect to link. Alright, and if you want to unlink Alexa, all you got to do is click unlink Alexa and you see a notification pop up from Alexa that they have been linked. If you want to unlink Alexa, you just press that, it'll unlink it. So let's try just arm and disarm first. If you go to the website, it will say you got enable the smart home skill, but we just linked it through the app there. And then you want to make sure all your apps are updated, and then it wants you to create an Alexa voice code to disarm your system. I'm going to try and arm it and disarm it without the code. I haven't set anything up in Alexa, and see what happens. Hey Alexa, arm home.
Home is armed in away mode.
Alright, let's see if this changes status here. There we go, we see that switched to armed now. Hey Alexa, disarm home.
Please disarm your security system manually. To enable disarm by voice, open the Alexa app, go to Devices, and edit your security system settings.
Alright, so let's see. You'll see the pop-up notification that motion was detected there. So I'm going to go ahead and disarm it. Alright, we got Alexa open now. Alright, so to set up Alexa voice code, we'll go over here, should be settings, device settings. We'll click on the system that this doorbell is connected to, which is our home. Status is disarmed and away. So now we'll need to click on this settings icon up here. Select enable disarm. We can disarm it by voice and use an Echo Hub. Set up an access code, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do for now. Confirm it. There's no enter button, so gotta remember it. If we want to edit it, you can just go in and punch in your new code again. Alright, so that's set up. Let's go back here. Hey Alexa, arm home.
Home is armed in away mode.
Hey Alexa, disarm home.
What's your voice code for home?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Home is disarmed.
Alright, so that is how you can arm or disarm your Blink system using your voice. You can also use Alexa routines to arm and disarm a system. So let me go back over here to the Alexa app. Get out of the settings. Oh, nope, I want to be in that setting actually. Do I want to do it? So you can create a routine that way. Or you don't want to do it that way. Go into more and click routines. Click new routine up there. And that brings you to the same menu. So when we'll add an event. Let's tell it when I'm leaving. We can add more phrases, but so when I say I'm leaving, we're gonna say, go to smart home here. Click all devices, go into my home. We'll say arm away. Click next. We'll go ahead and save it. So it might take up to a minute to be ready to use, but let's go ahead and try it out. Hey Alexa, I'm leaving.
Okay.
Let's go over to the Blink system here and see if it got armed. Hey Alexa, disarm home.
What's your voice code for home?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Home is disarmed.
Now let's see if the doorbell notifications are set up. Okay.
Someone is at the video doorbell. 6MLK.
Okay, so I just said the name of my doorbell video, 6MLK. If that wasn't happening already, there's a couple things you need to do over on the Alexa. You go to devices, home. Oh, no, we gotta select the doorbell it said. Which is video doorbell. Go to settings, and under announcements. So by default, doorbell press notifications are on, which is what I just showed you. You can also turn on motion announcements. So when it's armed, the system has to be armed. If it detects motion, it will send an announcement. Hey Alexa, I'm leaving.
Okay.
So now when it senses a movement, I should get a notification here. Let's go see if it's armed. It's armed. It's all sorts of motion. Okay, let me get out of frame here and then we'll try again when I come back in frame.
Motion detected at the video doorbell. 6MLK.
Okay, you'll see that notified me there also, the Blink app. So I'm going to go ahead and disarm the system. There is in here, you also have to have motion detection turned on in order for that to work. Otherwise it won't trigger through Blink and get sent to Alexa. Alright, so I could view the doorbell either in the Blink app or I can go over to Alexa and select the device and use that. I don't have permissions turned on. Alright, now that we enabled microphone for the app, let me get some feedback here. So it's now showing the video just by enabling the microphone. Everything's muted by default. There we go. So that was looping through. The Blink camera picked it up and came out through my phone here. Turn on the microphone. So my phone's picking it up. It's coming out through the doorbell. This is all in the Alexa app. I'll go ahead and get out of there. Don't have to look at me anymore. And I think that's all I wanted to show you on how to link your camera to Alexa. If you have Echo Show, you can view it on the screen.
The top results.
Go ahead and mute you. Hey Alexa. There we go. I won't trigger on it anymore. So the only thing I didn't show you about connecting your Blink devices to Echo is when you have a video display that's set up through that is connected to Alexa, like Echo Show. You can pop up the video feed on that screen instead of like I showed you in the app. If you got a Fire Stick, you can also show it on your TV. So let me know if you got any questions, any troubleshooting that I can help you with. And if this helped you out, if you liked it, like, subscribe, tell me what you want to see. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.